Alright, this is Tuesday's highlight video from GreatStockPicks.com. I had a few highlights today. AMB is one. Now the market feels different. If you traded today, you know what I'm talking about. It's really starting to feel like, hey, I think we've topped out. As a matter of fact, let me go over that real quick. And we'll see, but I had said yesterday that with the gap up and then the big red close, this could be a short-term top for a while. And I don't know that. And again, we're in cash every night and log in the morning with cash. So if we get a big gap down, we're fine and we're ready to put the cash to work on the setups that we teach. But today, and I'll show you several, AMB was just selling off real hard here using a method that we teach. We call this at 35.47. Right, that arrow's a little bigger than I would like, but right there. Let's change that. Alright, 35.47 right there, worst case stop right down below that candle. 9 cents risk from 35.47. You can see it went all the way to right at the end of the day, very nice close, to 36.17 on 9 cents risk. That didn't get stopped out, so a real nice one there. LVS, this push down here using a method we teach, call that at 45.47. So probably right about there, 45.47. Again, using our method, the stop was 10 cents below, right about here. Didn't get hit, and this doesn't look like much, but if you do the math, let me give you the numbers here. From 45.47, this went to 46.20. So quick, what, 73 cent move, something like that, on a dime risk. So a real nice one there too. And then also ARMH, using a method we teach, 26.95 was an entry right in. Let me figure out where we called this here. It's funny. No wonder I couldn't find it. 29.65. I said it wrong. Somewhere right in here. And it made a nice move from 29.65 to 30.17. 35.45. 52 cent move on 10 cents risk. So we're doing, as we say a lot, we're doing a lot of potential bottom picking, if you will. That sounds bad. But we always try to, whenever we have a setup like this where something's just selling off really hard, we're pretty good at catching a short-term bottom and then riding the move up. Again, we did it on that, did it on LVS, right down in here. Pretty solid methods that we've developed. Same thing on AMB. Again, 9 cents from the low of the day, didn't get stopped out. So pretty solid method we've developed, and with a lot of stuff selling off, the thing I love about that setup is it gives a crystal clear trigger and stop, and then as long as you take correct position size, you can give these things a chance to work for you. Even told my chat members today I'm thinking about funding an account just for that type of play, and so anytime I have that type of setup that we teach, which we call a PFPD, is a potential final push down. You'll see it when a chart looks like this. When it's got this kind of shape, it almost looks like the shape of a waterfall there. We've got a pretty solid way to play it. So I'm thinking about funding an account that I only take those trades in it and following along just to see what kind of returns I can get from, and just open that account or have it open and only take those kind of trades in it. It could be interesting results. Also had like a OSK late in the day. I called it over this base. It's not much to brag about. I think the call was 31.06 right here. Worst case stop, I think it was less than a dime away. And a quick 15 cent move to 31.27. So, a lot of stuff doesn't make the highlight video, but still tradable, profitable trades. And that's about it. I'm going to stop babbling. It's been very, very slow yesterday. If you traded Monday at all, it didn't even have really enough to talk about the market. It almost felt like a Saturday right before Christmas. That's how thin it was. So, having said that, didn't even make a video yesterday. It was just a very slow, boring day. Hopefully the rest of this week we'll have a little more volume than we did yesterday. So, all right, have a great night, and we'll talk to you later.